White ink is prone to settling, which can lead to issues such as thin white ink output during the DTF printing process, or broken lines in the printhead test page. Follow these steps to resolve the issue. Check the volume of white ink. Ensure it remains above the 1/3 mark. Otherwise, insufficient white ink may cause printing problems. Clean the printheads via the software and print a nozzle test page to inspect the printhead status. If the test page still shows white broken lines, draw 3 ml of ink from the ink cartridge and 5 ml of ink from the waste ink tube. Use the flushing function for the printheads in the software, then print another test page to recheck the printhead status. If broken lines persist, repeat the cleaning and ink extraction process 2 to 3 times. If the issue remains unresolved, you will need to replace the printhead with a new one. Do not attempt to clear the printheads by injecting ink with a syringe, as improper handling can result in damage to both the printheads and the motherboard.